Kennedy, and today I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to cook some ramen noodles and some egg toast. Feel free to do this at home and make sure to have fun. Let's get into it. Woo! Okay, so for this video that I've been doing, I thought that I was going to struggle because there's not many apps out there that's easy for editing or for young filmmakers like me. But then that's when I got introduced to LumaFusion. LumaFusion is an editing app that thousands of filmmakers like me use. Some features that it has is cool transactions and such as bursting into another clip or fading. You can do voiceovers and add text in just a blink of an eye. Make sure to download LumaFusion in the App Store and you can start editing right now. Bye!